In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a customer list to Apollo.io using a CSV file. To get started, log into your Apollo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click People. This is where Apollo lets you manage contact records, build lists, and bring in contacts from your own customer data. In the top right corner of the People page, click Import, then choose CSV. This opens Apollo's CSV import workflow, where you can add either individual contacts or company account records from a spreadsheet. You'll now see options to import contacts or import accounts. Choose the option that matches the type of list you're uploading, then click Select CSV File. Your computer's file browser will open. So locate the CSV file containing your customer list, select it and click Open. You can also press Enter after selecting the file. Quick side note, for more practical Apollo tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. After you upload the file, give Apollo a moment to process your list. Next, you'll be asked to map the fields in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Apollo. For example, make sure columns such as first name, last name, email address, company name, or any other customer details are matched to the correct Apollo fields. This helps ensure your imported records are organized properly and can be used accurately later. Once the fields are mapped, review the remaining import settings. If needed, you can also configure data enrichment options to add or update available information for your contacts or accounts. When everything looks correct, click Import in the bottom right corner to begin importing your customer list into Apollo. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your customer list to Apollo.io.